Hi, my name is Charles Regalado and I'm a general dentist in Spokane, Washington. I'm also a full faculty member at the BioClear Learning Center in Tacoma, Washington. What I want to talk about today is how to make beautiful Class 5 restorations. For most of us, and what I observe when patients come to my practice, is you notice a Class 5 restoration usually is confined to that small cervical area, and we know that we're bonding to dentin and to root structure there. What I'd like to suggest is, rather than bonding just to that area, that we'd extend our restoration as far up that facial surface, if it's a buccal Class 5, as far as we can go to leverage our enamel bond in order to reinforce the bond to the cervical area. So what we do there is remove biofilm. It's really important to do that first. And after the biofilm has been taken care of and removed, and you go ahead and do your bonding steps. So once the adhesive has been cured at the cervical area, then what I'll do is re-wet that with a little bit of adhesive as a wetting agent. Then take your flowable composite and go ahead and seal that gingival margin right along that cervical area. Just seal that up. Cure that. Now go ahead and take your composite and go up that mesial line angle and up the distal line angle as well. Now, how far do you go? Well, a good rule of thumb is to go at least twice the distance of that cervical lesion. So let's say it's 3 millimeters. I want to go at least 3 millimeters up to the enamel. I'll even go more. I'll go as far as I can because that's going to make a better restoration anyway. And then go ahead and, so now you've got a nice border, you've got a nice outline of where you're going. And then go ahead and fill the rest, whether that be all flowable or flowable paste combination, your choice. And then go ahead and finish that off. The real key is don't prep the enamel, because we want to leverage that enamel. We're not thinning it down to get more dentin. So we want to keep that enamel. You're actually adding some volume, but you can do that in a very beautiful way. And so make sure you keep your composite there. Don't disc it all off or use a burr and take it all down. Again, a little volume. You're going to find the color match is going to be really beautiful. It's going to be the best Class 5 you've ever done. And the other thing is, again, by leveraging the enamel bond, you're going to make that restoration last a lot longer than if you just kept it as cervical. That's my expert tip.